Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into how to customize the sensitivity settings on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera. Begin by opening the My Home app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Select your camera. Scroll through your device list and tap on the Mi 360 camera to access its main interface. Go to Camera Settings. Look for an option labeled Alert Settings, Motion Detection, or something similar and tap on it. Adjust sensitivity. Within the alert settings, find the sensitivity setting. You might see a slider or a list of options ranging from low to high. Choose your level. Drag the slider or select from the options to set the desired sensitivity level. A higher sensitivity increases the likelihood of detecting smaller movements, while a lower sensitivity reduces false alarms from minor movements like those caused by pets. You've now customized the sensitivity settings on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera.